I know what you're thinking. You're thinking to yourself, Aaron, why do you look so bad? Why do you look like you just woke up? Because I did just wake up. I woke up really early because I wanted to get the jump on the day. I wanted to start my day off on a good note, on a high note, if you will. I wanted to contact Verizon Wireless and discuss the OnePlus 8 Pro and why I was having issues inserting my SIM card and my phone operating as it should. So I did some internet searching, some Googling, if you will, and I discovered the same issue back when the OnePlus 6T launched exists today. You have to call Verizon and they need to make a setting adjustment on the billing side, billing of all places, and they need to make your account so it will work with CDMA-less devices, which that's what this one is. Now, it is made, advertised, and marketed to work on the Verizon Network, and even selling. Verizon will be selling this device. And I purchased it directly from OnePlus, unlocked, received it yesterday, put my SIM card in it in the beautiful unboxing video that you may or may not have already seen. I don't know if I'm going to release it today or wait till Monday, or if I'm going to release this video first. But what ended up happening, the device can't be used. That there's the list of approved MEIDs, IMEIs, whatever they are, right? They got to send this list to Verizon and say, these are the devices that are okay to work on your network. Like all the devices that they've sold or that they've manufactured. These are the lists. Obviously, a T-Mobile specific device is not going to show up on that list, but Unlocked and Verizon ones probably will. The device officially does not launch until 4/29. And according to my watch here, today's date is 4/25. So the speculation on the OnePlus forums, because I'm not the only one with this problem, it seems to be widespread, is that you can't use your device on your carrier of choice, even if it's unlocked, until 4/29. What the with you, OnePlus? How do you sell me a device, ship it, mark it unlocked, but you don't transmit the necessary data to the carrier to allow me to use the device that I just paid for outright to you? This is an outrage. This is ridiculousness. Why would they do this? Namaste. 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 Okay. I don't get upset very often, but OnePlus, we're not starting off good, okay? You send me a phone that I can't use on my carrier of choice, despite the fact that you market it as such, despite the fact it is in your keynote as such, despite the fact that you tell me it will work, but it will not. OnePlus. These are tough times. I don't have much to live for at the moment. Locked away in my house. I don't get out. I don't get to see my friends. I can't see my family. This is what I had to look forward to. This is what I had to help get me through the weekend the excitement of a new device, which I admit I can still use on Wi-Fi, okay? I can still take pictures, okay? I can still play with the UI and make more videos, okay? I just can't make a phone call. I can't receive a text message. What's the point of having a device that you can't use the basic functions? So, we're gonna have to meditate about this. We're gonna have to reel it back in, and we're going to try to give OnePlus a pass and say thank you for the device early. And for all the free stuff you gave me, because I appreciate free stuff too. So, OnePlus, get your act together. I think my initial thoughts on this device is a contender. This device is a contender for this device right here. You heard me correct. I think this device has the ability to trample my... I forgot what this is already. I'm so upset. This is the Ultra, the S20 Ultra. I got it together. I think this device has the potential to trample the S20 Ultra. If you come to me and you say, Aaron, I want to get the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, unless you're buying my phone from me, so I'm benefiting from it, I'm going to tell you, don't spend your money. Go take a look at OnePlus. Because so far, I'm digging that device. They just gotta work a couple things out, maybe push a little software update, you know what I mean? There's a little bit of OTA love, if you will. And hopefully, my device will start working flawlessly on the 29th. So, quick, short, simple video. Wanted to share my horrible experience being on hold. The Verizon employees, both that I talked to, super awesome, super cool. They did a great job of working and communicating with me. I didn't get mad at them. It's not their fault. I can clearly read on OnePlus's website that there's lots of other people having the exact issue. If you want to go ahead and read up on that issue, I will put a link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, what do you think about this whole drama? Do you think that OnePlus should have prepared better? Do you think OnePlus should have not sent me the phone early? I mean, you would think that they were ready to go. If it's just transmitting some data, well, just hit the damn button. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.